If you start watching that, then you can see the people acting and hear the language. That will tap into a different portion of your brain, and then you will watch it, process it differently, and then you will write differently as well. So those are just some of the things that I use in order to become a more descriptive person as well. Yes, and you can learn Spanish as well. So we've watched, Nola and I have watched this really Russian crime show, subtitles, everything. And as long as it's dubbed correctly, because if you watch it and it's really off, then it's hard to do. But now with Netflix and what is it, Prime and all of these different streaming platforms, they have a foreign film category. So I recommend you that. A lot of things are on YouTube. You can even, if you're a TikToker or on Instagram, I'm on all the social media platforms, just find creators that are speaking a different language, and you'll look at what they're saying and what they're doing. Sometimes it's translated, but that will help you as well. My whole point is that there are more ways to tap into your creativity than just reading fiction. You can go above and beyond that and have a more well-rounded existence. Because the other thing that I've noticed with fiction writers is they have that style of writing, and their style of writing doesn't change. So now you have to end up looking at all fiction writers, but creatively you can read people's biography. So you can read a lot of actors, artists, and everything, and then you'll get their perspective just because they wrote a book. So I've read a lot of autobiographies and biographies about people as well, alive and no longer with us. Okay, thank you very much for your time this morning. Again, reading is fundamental. My pleasure. Reading is fundamental. I am recommending 15 minutes a day. 15 minutes a day. Now, I have said 15 minutes a day of your personal time and 15 minutes a day of reading. You are awake for 16 to 18 hours a day. If you cannot give your brain 15 to 30 minutes, you got a bunch of unaccountable people in your life. You got a bunch of unaccountable people. If you say, I don't have time. If you got time to scroll, you got time to read. I'm going to say that again. If you got time to scroll, you got time to read, because that scrolling is manufactured dopamine. It's artificial. It's like opening up a bag of white sugar and pouring it in your mouth. You're going to end up with some damn cavities. Okay? Natural dopamine and natural serotonin is like eating fruits and vegetables that came from the ground, that you washed off, organic, and now you're eating them. Now you're going to get the sugar and the nutrients that your body needs, and then you're going to go off and do grand things. So it's brain food. Personal time with yourself and reading is brain food, because look at it this way. You want your brain to do all this shit, and you feeding this shit. You want your brain to do all this shit for you. We want you to get up, dress, bathe, dress yourself, fix your food, drive if you drive, deal with employees and employers, interact with people all day long, and the brain's reward is 2 hours worth of TikTok videos. I'm on TikTok. I will tell you, I was on TikTok the other day, but I also read. I also have personal time. I stretch. I have a good diet as well. So garbage in, garbage out. So it's like having a car, don't get the oil changed, don't get the tires rotated, barely put gas in it, don't plug it up if it's electric. You ain't even getting it washed, you don't clean it out or nothing. And then you like, damn, this car ain't shit. Had this car 4 years, motherfucker falling apart. That's you. You falling apart. You falling apart. Eating all the wrong foods, don't give it enough rest, don't drink, don't water. One of the neurologists on TikTok that I follow, he said the first thing that he does in the morning, even though he likes coffee, is he drinks 8 ounces of water in the morning, because the brain is 75% water and the brain is thirsty. I was like, damn, that's what I don't go nowhere without a bottle of water. The brain is thirsty when you wake up in the morning. I'm like, oh my God, drinking water. Now I don't even get to my coffee till 5 something, and it's decaf anyway. Thank you, perimenopause. But damn, 75% water, and you ain't even giving your brain and woke you up. You done went to the bathroom, everything else, and then the first thing you do is not give it water, and it's dehydrated. Who knew? So I do watch TikTok, and there is value, but your brain needs you to read. Your brain needs you to shut down and just say, hey, what's up? How we feeling today? What's going on? What we got going on? No stress, no hijacked amygdala, just you versus you. And I will say this again because it's worth repeating. Take yourself out on a date. Buy yourself some flowers, some cologne, whatever you like, and just take yourself out on a date. Even if you have a significant other or a spouse, hey, it's date night. They can be like, for real? No, I'm taking myself out on a date. I'll be back. It could be a lunch date. It could be a breakfast date. Anything to treat yourself so your brain can be like, thank you. I like natural dopamine. I like natural serotonin.